Hello folks, we'll be back with our next problem in this miscellaneous. That's a problem number 14. We just finished the problem number 13. Now let's look at the problem number 14, see what it says. The problem number 14 says that find the absolute maximum and minimum of the function f which is given by cos squared x plus sin x. Oh, after a long time we've got a respite. Absolute maximum minimum is really easy actually as compared to what we have done now. Absolute maximum minimum, I'll go to say it's really easy. Cos squared x plus sin x, where the x is between 0 to pi. Since they have given the closed interval, your work is really easy. What we are going to do, we get what do we do for absolute maximum minimum? And they have mentioned. Sometimes what they do is they just say, find the maximum minimum. You have to check. If you have a closed interval, then you can do absolute maximum minimum, your work is done. Now here you have the closed interval. So you have to do the function checking at the extremes of this closed interval and the critical point. So we have to find the critical point. There's no need for the second derivative. We can stop at the first derivative because it's absolute maximum minimum. So let's go for the first derivative, f dash x. Cos squared, so 2 cos x, and derivative of cos x minus sin x. Sin x derivative cos x. Simple. So it's minus 2 what's that, sin x cos x, or rather sin 2x. All right, or maybe I think it's better if we take the cos x outside. So if we take the cos x outside, minus 2 sin x plus 1, I think that's better. Now obviously we are doing all this to get the critical point. So let's get the f dash x 0, which is cos x times minus 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. If the product is 0, each term is 0. So cos x is 0 here, and you have minus 2 sin x plus 1 as 0, which means x is pi by 2. One critical point, and the other one is sin x, 2 sin x is 1, or sin x is half. Sin x is half between 0 and pi, that at x can be 30, which is pi over 6. That's it. So these are the points at which we have to check the function's value. We have to check f at 0. We have to check f at pi over 6. We have to check at f at pi over 2 and f at pi. So many things we will check and get the answer, and check which is the absolute maximum and minimum value. I'll have to check the question. Find the absolute maximum and minimum. That's it. So the absolute maximum minimum value first, f at 0. F at 0 means cos squared 0 plus sin 0. Cos squared 0, that's 1. Then next is f at pi over 6, 30. So cos squared pi over 6 plus sin pi over 6. Cos squared pi over 6 means root 3 by 2. So 3 over 4 and half. So times 2 times 2. So 5 over 4. It is 1 point something now, 1.10. So 2, 5. And then f at pi over 2. So that's cos squared pi over 2, that's 0. And sin pi over 2, which is going to be 1. This is 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Okay, f at pi. That's cos squared pi plus sin pi. Cos pi is minus 1. So it's going to be plus 1. And this is of course 0. That's it. 3 values are 1, other value is 1.25. So minimum is going to be 1 and maximum is going to be 1.25. That's it. So therefore, absolute maximum value is 5 over 4 or 1.25. I hope it's correct. 5, 4, 1, 4, 1 left, 0.10, 2. Yeah, 1.25. Okay, absolute minimum value is 1 in all the cases. Absolute minimum value is 1. Pretty simple as compared to what we were doing all this time. Yeah, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, they are core problems. Even 19, 20. They are going to be all core problems, which is going to come. It was just a respite for us. 2 problems in between was a bit of a respite for us. And then with all those heavy problems, we'll be meeting in the next video. As I always tell, please popularize channel and spread a word. Thank you.